This is LC021. Built on the Prevost H3-45 double slide platform, this coach features a LOKI Coach signature paint scheme with a striking racing yellow accent. It gives LC021 a powerful presence before you ever step inside. Inside, the specifications are remarkable. Warm walnut, refined quartz, ceramic surfaces, and a layout designed around comfort, movement, and the real uses on the road. From the face-to-face dinette to the signature amenities found throughout every LOKI Coach. This coach was designed for maximum livability. The bunk configuration makes it easy to bring family along for the journey, while the half bathroom adds everyday convenience. At the rear, the bedroom creates a private retreat, and with an integrated mirror TV, the space feels just as refined as it is functional. It feels quiet, warm, and completely separate from the rest of the coach. The full bath gives the coach a true residential rhythm, with stunning stone finishes and an extra-large shower and towel heater. Entertainment has also been elevated, with upgraded audio components and multiple screens designed for the different scenarios of life on the road. More design, more intention, more personality. This is LOKI Coach 21.